10 Tips How to Remove Skin Tags. Skin tags are small, soft pieces of skin that stick out on a thin stem. Skin tags are common, harmless growths. Almost half of all adults have skin tags. Some of the many home removal techniques are more effective than others. Number 1. Removal creams. Removal creams can be effective in removing skin tags. Use removal creams for cleaning the skin with an alcohol wipe and filing down the tag. Apply the cream to ensure that the skin fully absorbs it. Number 2. Freezing. Freeze it with liquid nitrogen. Swab or spray a small amount of supercold liquid nitrogen on the molar skin tag. You may have a small blister where the molar skin tag was, but it will heal on its own. Number 3. Burning. Burn it to remove skin tags. A wire that becomes hot and is used to burn off the upper layers of the skin. Skin tags can be removed by burning through the narrow stem that attaches them to the skin. The heat helps prevent bleeding. Number 4. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is an essential oil which helps you to remove skin tags. Apply a few drops of the oil to a cotton ball, which help to remove skin tag. Leave the cotton ball on the skin tag for 10 minutes, 3 times a day. Within several days or weeks the tag will fall off. Number 5. Cutting. Cutting it off can be another solution to remove skin tags. Skin tags may be snipped off with a scalpel or surgical scissors. A deeper cut can remove the entire tag and prevent it from growing back. This cut may require stitches. Number 6. Iodine. Use liquid iodine to remove skin tags. Soak a Q-tip in iodine and spread the liquid across the tag. Cover the area with a bandage until the iodine has dried. Number 7. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can be used to remove skin tags. Soak a cotton ball in the vinegar and affix it to the tag with a bandage for 10 minutes. Try 2 or 3 times a day, until the tag falls away. Number 8. Ligation. This involves a healthcare provider tying surgical thread around the tag to reduce blood flow, causing it to eventually drop off. Number 9. Eat a healthful diet. Eating a healthy diet can remove your skin tags. If you follow a healthy diet chart, it will not only help you to remove skin tags, but also prevent it to come back. Number 10. Cocoa flavanol. Cocoa flavanol can help you to remove skin tags. It helps your skin to decrease roughness and scaling on skin. You can apply the methods to get rid of skin tags. These ways also help you to improve your skin.